Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study for English Paper 1. First, familiarize yourself with the paper's format, including the number of sections and types of questions. Next, focus on improving your reading comprehension by actively engaging with various texts. Finally, dedicate time to practicing your writing, ensuring your answers are well organized and directly address the prompts. This structured approach will significantly boost your confidence and performance. English Paper 1 typically includes sections on reading comprehension, summary writing, and language use. For reading, you'll encounter various text types, from articles to poems, requiring careful analysis. Summary questions test your ability to condense information accurately, often within a word limit of about 80 words. Language use sections might focus on grammar, vocabulary, or sentence structure. Knowing these elements helps you prepare targeted study strategies. To study effectively, read a wide range of materials, including news articles, short stories, and essays, for at least 30 minutes each day. This broadens your vocabulary and improves comprehension. Regularly practice summarizing texts, focusing on extracting key information and writing it in your own words. Also, dedicate time to reviewing fundamental grammar rules and punctuation, as these are crucial for clear and correct writing. Consistent practice is key. The best way to prepare is by completing several past papers under timed conditions. This helps you manage your time effectively and get comfortable with the exam pressure. After each practice, thoroughly review your answers, paying close attention to where you lost marks and why. This critical self-assessment is invaluable for improvement. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof, meal prep containers, and other great deals to help you stay organized and focused.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.